Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to make the kinetic theory of gases super simple for you. Ready? Let's dive in. Imagine a room full of tiny, invisible balls bouncing around like crazy. That's what a gas is according to the kinetic theory of gases. This theory helps explain how gases behave in terms of pressure, volume, and temperature. First off, gases are made up of countless small particles. These particles are always moving in random directions. When they collide with each other in the walls of their container, they create pressure. Think of it like a bunch of kids in a bouncy castle bumping into each other in the walls constantly. Now these collisions are perfectly elastic. That means when they hit something, they bounce back without losing any energy. This is key in understanding how gases behave. One of the coolest parts of this theory is how it connects to temperature. The temperature of a gas is actually a measure of the average kinetic energy of its particles. So, when you heat a gas, its particles move faster. Imagine turning up the speed on that bouncy castle. More energy, more movement. This theory doesn't just stop at explaining pressure and temperature, it also helps us understand transport properties like viscosity, thermal conductivity, and mass diffusivity. Viscosity is how much a gas resists flowing. Thermal conductivity is how well a gas can conduct heat, and mass diffusivity is how particles spread out over time. Here's another interesting piece. The basic version of this model describes an ideal gas. It assumes particles only interact through collisions and are much smaller than the distance between them. This simplification makes the math a lot easier and gives us a good foundation to build on. What's fascinating is how the kinetic theory of gases ties into the principle of detailed balance and the fluctuation dissipation theorem. These concepts help us understand more complex phenomena like Brownian motion, where particles suspended in a fluid move randomly. Finally, this theory was groundbreaking because it was one of the first uses of statistical mechanics. By looking at the average behavior of particles, scientists could predict the properties of gases on a macroscopic level. So next time you think about a gas, picture those tiny, energetic particles bouncing around. The kinetic theory of gases gives us a microscopic peek into their world, helping us understand the big picture of thermodynamics. Thanks for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more science made easy. Catch you in the next video.